Welcome back to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we show you something in the sign and graphics industry in 2 minutes or less. And today we're going to show you how to post heat vinyl. So put 2 minutes on the clock and let's get started. This particular scenario, we're using Avery's SW900, which likes to be post heated to a temperature of 185 degrees. So this is different per vinyl manufacturer. You can look at their spec sheets or you can reach out to us and we can give you that number. But what you want to do is you want to post heat two different things. One, any edge of the vinyl that is exposed, you want to make sure to post heat. And then anything you had to stretch to lay down are the two things you want to post heat. There's two parts to post heat. So one is the heat. You want to make sure you get it up to temp. Two is pressure. You want to be applying pressure as you do the heat. So for this, we have an IR gun. We get these at Harbor Freight. They're $20, not very expensive. So all you're going to do is you want to know what temperature 200 degrees is. So you're going to take the heat gun, take your IR reader right behind it basically, and just work this until it gets up to temp. So for us in this scenario here, what you need to know is it's very cold in here right now, right? So roughly how long does it take us to get up to temp is what you really want to know. And we're over. So know how long roughly it's going to take you. You can see we're over, so move a little faster. So what I'm doing with the IR gun is I'm getting what is the temp I need to be at. Once you know roughly how fast you need to move to get to that temp, put the IR gun away, and then what you're going to do is run the heat gun. And while you run the heat gun, you're gonna apply pressure the entire way. So we're working nice and slow. Be careful what glove you use for this because they will get very hot. And that's what you're gonna do for the entire edge that you heat, as well as the top or the side edges. Start again. Obviously I'm not up to temp, I'm moving faster for the sake of the video, but just run it all the way along the edge and make sure that it's post heated. What you'll see will happen when you post heat if you didn't apply enough pressure is you'll get these bubbles coming up. So that'll know that I didn't squeegee that hard enough, which means long term, that was definitely gonna fail. So hopefully that's helpful. Heat up to temp, you can look at the product sheet or the spec sheets or reach out to us to find out what temp it is, and pressure. This goes for all of the vinyls that are out there, all of the color change, all the digitally printable. Post-heat process is exactly the same. So hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions on that, reach out to us. But thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.